In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Webull Brokerage to TradingView for seamless orders right on your TradingView charts. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be placing trades directly from your charts without a hitch. So, let's dive in. First things first, open up your TradingView account and navigate to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you get a bird's eye view of your trading world. If you're not already familiar with the dashboard, it's essentially the main hub for all your charting and trading needs, and it's where we'll kick things off today. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on the trading panel. This is typically found towards the lower section of your TradingView interface. The trading panel is your gateway to connecting with various brokerages, and today we'll focus on linking it with Webull. Now, within the trading panel, there's a search or input box where you can type in a word or phrase to highlight specific options. Here, you'll want to focus on connecting with Webull. After you've typed in and highlighted Webull, it's time to take the next step. With Webull highlighted, simply click on their option. This will bring up additional details and options for integration. At this point, don't worry if this is starting to feel a bit technical. Just stick with me. We're almost there. After you've clicked on Webull, within the trading panel, you'll see a button labeled Connect. Go ahead and click on this button. This action will prompt the system to begin the process of linking your TradingView account with your Webull account. The final step requires you to log into your Webull account, enter your credentials, and give the necessary permissions to integrate these two platforms. By logging in, you're granting TradingView access to manage orders on your behalf, seamlessly transitioning you into a streamlined trading experience. Make sure your credentials are correct and everything is securely entered. This addition can make your trading far more intuitive and efficient, as it allows you to execute orders directly from TradingView's platform without toggling between different applications. And there you have it, your Webull account is now connected to TradingView. You can start placing orders directly from your charts, making the whole process far more fluid and cohesive. With both platforms now in sync, you're set up for an enhanced trading experience, so take some time to explore and get comfortable with making trades this way. Thank you for following along today, and happy trading.